Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing two things. We're going to do a little spring summer refresh, which I definitely don't do every year. I just happened to be in Walmart one day and I picked up a number of items. So I'm just going to, share with you guys what I picked up recently in today's video, and then just kind of share with you some changes that we've made to the home for the spring summer. And of course, we both work in education, so we're off of work for the summer, which is pretty much why I am dibbling and dabbling in such tasks. So I picked up these two vases, or vases, or some people even I think call them hurricanes, from Walmart. I couldn't decide if I wanted the larger one or the smaller one, so I bought both, and they were both affordable, and I thought they were pretty modern, which our home isn't technically modern, but I feel like these, I can make them work. I actually like the other vase that you see, the other clear vase. I actually really like that. It came with this bouquet that my husband bought me maybe for, I don't know, my birthday or something. I think my birthday last year. And so that's actually a really good vase. But I did love these vases. So I'm just making my little floral arrangements. And if you don't know, Publix and Kroger is where you want to go for florals. I feel like all the other grocery stores and whatnot don't have as good of florals as Kroger and Publix. So I'm taking the faux floral arrangement, putting it in the downstairs bathroom, which is the half bath. And then I also put that Happy Spring towel in that bathroom as well. And then I purchased a lot of candles, probably like 12 from Walmart, and I've burned them all at this point. So they burn pretty quickly. They were only like $4, but honestly, I don't even think that they're worth $4, because you could barely smell them. I don't know. They just pale in comparison to what I'm used to, which is the Bath and Body Works 3-wick candles, which are insanely, they're amazing. I also picked up this new bed spread. It's kind of like a quilt, because the one that we had before was ruined. So I had to pick up a new one, and I got this from Home Goods. I think I got the pink floral hand towels that I put in the kitchen from Home Goods as well. So I'm going back and forth on how I want to make up this bed. I'm trying to figure out how many pillows I want, just trying to figure out the whole thing. It's summertime, so of course I have more time to make up a bed. Otherwise, it would be very minimal. But honestly, it did turn out to be quite minimal. So we've been making our bed like this for some weeks now, and it's very simple. It takes 5 minutes. I'm also spraying some linen spray that I also got from Home Goods. And then, you guys, we actually brought out our dressers, which we got from IKEA, from the closet to the bedroom. And I think that was such a great idea, because now it's like a TV stand and it's perfect. So you'll see those in the bathroom when we get into the second portion of this video. In the bedroom when we get into the second portion of this video. But yeah, I just really like having them in the bedroom. It just makes so much more sense. So I do eventually tend to my plant. She looks good now, but I'm watering her now. I also got a bath mat, a new one from Home Goods. That white one had held up for 2.5 years. So I thought that was pretty good, but it did have some stains, so I got rid of it. So now we are in our closet, and I do have to say that I actually have what you would consider to be a capsule wardrobe. So I don't have that many clothes, and that's just the way that I like it. As you can look at the closet now, and I have a capsule wardrobe, but I will say my husband definitely does have way more clothes than me, and he's looking to kind of declutter and have more of a minimalist vibe as well. It's not really minimalist, make no mistake, but it certainly would be more of a capsule wardrobe than what he has now. So a lot of these clothes and things do belong to him, but I love the way that I actually end up organizing everything. Again, those dressers come out of there, and then it just looks so much better. Also, one other thing that I did in here, right now you see yellow lights, soft lights for the lighting in here, but I actually changed out the bulbs to daylight bulbs, and you won't really notice that until the end clips showing you the grand finale of the closet, because I did not change out those on camera. So I'm just gonna kind of, let you guys enjoy a few minutes of me not talking, and then I'll be back to talk you guys through it some more. Tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close.
up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
I do want to notate that this definitely was an all-day adventure. It took me anywhere from like 6 to 8 hours, but I'm just amazed and surprised that I actually saw it through because, you know, I've been working at this whole house cleaning, organizing, and decluttering situation since December of 2021. So I'm actually thoroughly impressed. But I kept telling myself, okay, if you finish this closet, which is a hot mess, then you only have one more real room left to go. There are some little spaces like my husband's closet, his man cave that I could get in and better organize and tackle perhaps, or like some other little spaces. But as far as rooms, the only one left to really get to is the shop room, which is an extra room. So I'm pretty excited. So I'm vacuuming now, and then eventually I do decide that I want to take out the dressers and put them in the room. So I'm vacuuming first, and then this is the final look. So I have all of my handbags, I have all of my clothes, and I have all of our hats and belts and all of my husband's clothes and shoes, and everything is just pleasant, and you can see the lighting has changed. So anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys back here in a couple of days, and be on the lookout for part 10 of this series. Bye guys.